Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is an activity about my innovation showcase. Let's start with the explanation. My name is Soriana Betsaida Córdoba Araujo. I am a student of the program BA in Teaching English as a Foreign Language. The code is 518018 and 2. I am in the Integral Pedagogical Practices course. Nowadays, I live in the city of Leticia, Amazonas. Okay, I am gonna talk about my pedagogical practicum experiences. As an introduction, the challenges I found were a bit of a lack of motivation to participate in the classes. Additionally, it will reinforce some topics related to level 2 and 3 of English for group 8 and also for the students of group B. I suggested more activities related to the acquisition of new vocabulary so that students have more knowledge when practicing their speaking skills. The goal were achieved where a lot of participation in classes, students' interaction was increasing day by day, and also innovation through the use of technological tools. Okay, the technological tools that I use were Kahoot, EducaPlay, Cerebrity, among others. And the different dynamic strategies were videos, sound, dialogues, audios. In addition, on some times I asked them what they preferred in activities. Um, and they were asked and carry out oral and written activities, and the participation of each student was taken into account. That was the most important part about the classes. Okay, let's talk about the UDL. This is the method Universal Design for Learning. This method means it's a way of teaching and learning. This a method and this approach gives students equal opportunities to succeed. For example, in developing lesson plans, this approach helps all kids, especially helpful kids with learning and attention issues. Also, the goal for this approach is because this approach has a variety of teaching methods and also remove any barriers to learning. This approach shows offer flexibility. The students can access to the materials in an easily way, engage with it and show what they know. And it has three principles: representation, action and expressions, and engagement. In the representation, this approach offers information. This information can go in more than one format. In the action and expression, this approach has four ways to interact. One of them is giving oral presentation. The second one is taking a pencil, paper test, and doing a group project. And the last one is the engagement. In this part, this approach encourages the teachers because this approach looks for multiple ways to motivate the students. Okay, now as a reflection, I can say that the changes were significant and satisfactory for me because the students were able to participate and be motivated in the English classes. The students were attentive and interested in the virtual English classes, and my students had fun and acquired significant knowledge. Okay. As a future improvement, I can say that I would further improve my knowledge regarding the use of ICT tools and implement more digital resources in the classroom to enhance my innovate classes. My experience was enriching and significant because I would learn to apply new technologies and different dynamics strategies for learning of the English language for my two assigned groups of students that were Group A and Group B. Okay, so let's talk about another future improvement. Um, my experience was enriching and of great value, and I learned a lot from my students. I learned from them how to implement different strategies, methods, and tools with my students in virtual English classes. I believe as a future teacher, I will also learn what methods and strategies to apply when challenges arise in teaching practice. And the principles of learning universal design help me a lot. Okay, that's all about my explanation about my innovation showcase. See you in the next time. Hope you like the video. Bye.